Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris, Unique Styles Auto Sounds. We're working on this Ford F150 today. Customer's wife got him a Christmas gift. We're going to be changing out this radio, adding a double DIN, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Also, when you purchase a radio through us, we include a backup camera and the installation of the backup camera free of charge. We'll keep you guys updated. We're going to pop this panel right here on clips. Let's get it. Careful with these wires in the back, though. That panel is gone. Now we got 4 screws here. Let's go. We got 4 7mm. Tackle this front one. Woohoo! Get the wiring prepped. We are using a Metra 955812 dash kit. Before we put all the screws in, let's just make sure that it works. Hey, it's on. Nice. Let's make sure we get some sound. Sweet. Makes you think we're better off with. Make sure we weatherproof everything to protect it from the elements, water, moisture. Small little backup camera. Very nice. Back shots, body, give a body, back shots, body, give a body, back shots, body. Oh, oh, oh.